Hey, welcome to my channel, Plant-Based Storm. I'm Stormy, and today I wanted to just come on here and make a quick video to show you a simple and healthy, easy snack that you can make. I don't know about y'all, but I love popcorn, and if you look at the options that are available at the grocery store, they are not always the best choice. They're full of additives and oil and salt and all the things that you want to avoid on a whole food plant-based diet. But if you can find just some plain corn kernels that are made for popcorn, then you can make a quick and easy snack in a snap. I have an air popper, which is nice to have, but it's kind of a hassle sometimes to have to take it out, stand over, and make sure that all the popcorn goes in the bowl. It gets hot, and it's just kind of like an ordeal. And if you don't want to buy any other appliances, this is a great popcorn hack and a healthy snack. All you need is a paper bag and some popcorn kernels, and I put in about a tablespoon or two of kernels, maybe 3, just depends on how much popcorn that you want. But I'll just put in, I'm gonna do 3. Sorry if you can hear the dishwasher running in the background, but this is real life. Okay, so you can kind of see there's not a whole lot. It's just 3 little tablespoons in there. And then you want to kind of roll the bag up to keep it from busting open. And you're just gonna put it in the microwave. And I put it on the popcorn button. It's probably just a couple minutes if you don't have a popcorn button, and you just wait for it to pop, and I'll show you what it looks like whenever it's done. Okay, so it's done. You can see that it is popped up and delicious, and it is quick, convenient, and you can take this just about anywhere that you go. This is perfect for a snack at work because it's something that is obviously shelf stable. You can throw this in your lunch kit. See how compact that is? That's got the 3 tablespoons of kernels in it, and I just take it and fold it up. And you can clip it here or put a paper clip right there and put it in your lunch kit, and you have a compact, easy snack for work or travel wherever you're going. And you can just take your seasonings and add to it. I actually have this nacho cheese vegan seasoning that I like to add, and just sprinkle it in there. Now you can put like a little bit of vinegar spray bottle and spray it on this, and then put the seasoning on, and it helps it stick. And still keeps it oil-free, butter-free, all that stuff. And this is one of the most healthy and filling snacks that you can get. So I hope this is helpful to people that are looking for something to snack on that is not gonna blow their whole food plant-based plan or diet or lifestyle, and that this is something that you might enjoy. So if you like what you see, don't forget to share and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.